Welcome back to my channel Learn with Burhan. So in this video, I hope that you all know that ICSC had postponed the exam and now they have released the new timetable which you have to follow for the exam, the revised timetable. So let us see this new notice one and read it. What is there? To all the heads of the schools presenting candidates for the ICSC and ISC year 2021-2022 examinations. Revised timetable. This is further to the CICSC circular dated 19th of October 2021, wherein all heads of schools were informed about the postponement of the ICSC and ISC semester 1 online examinations for reasons beyond our control. Please find attached the revised timetables for the ICSC and ISC semester 1 exams. The ISC will begin from 22nd November and end on 20th of December, and the ICSC it will begin on 29th of November and end on 16th of December. So now the CICSC has been in receipt of numerous emails from heads of schools, parents and students who had expressed their difficulties and apprehension if the semester 1 examinations were to be held online. Some of the major concerns expressed were non-availability of devices, yes, then irregular power supply, then network and bandwidth problems. So the CICSC, being a student friendly board, after much deliberation has thus decided to conduct the ICSC and ISC semester 1 examinations in the offline mode. So now the exams will be in offline mode. These examinations will be conducted in the candidates' respective schools. All candidates will be required to report to their school as per the scheduled examination dates. Detailed guidelines for the conduct of the semester 1 examination will be shared with the conveners and the heads of the schools shortly. You are requested to kindly disseminate the above mentioned information to all concerned, that is candidates, parents, guardians and teachers, and advised to check the CICSC official website and careers portal for authentic circulars and information. So this is there. Now let us check the revised timetable for ICSC class 10th. Okay, so the exam it is on November 29 Monday, first English 1, then on November 30 English 2, then December 2 history civics, then December 3 Hindi, then December 6 mathematics, December 7 geography, December 8 computer applications or home science, then December 9 physics, December 10 second languages, December 13 chemistry, December 15 biology, and the examinations are then over. 16, this is another subject. In addition to the time indicated on the timetable for writing the paper, 10 minutes is given for reading the question paper. The question paper answer booklet will be made available at 10:50 a.m. on the day of the examination. So the answers to the question will also be given at that time only, at 10:50 on the day of the examination. So now the ICSC has confirmed that the exams will be in offline mode, and this is the revised timetable which you have to follow, and you have got 2 weeks extra to prepare. So you can prepare very well, practice very well, utilize this time very well and get a good score in the MCQ based examination. And this ICSC has not yet informed that it will be OMR or not, but it is understood that it is OMR only because MCQ is there and offline is there. That means it is OMR. So this was the information. Keep learning.